Ladies and gentlemen, it is Eurocopter's great pleasure to introduce you to the new EC-175. Ladies and gentlemen, the best new medium twin has arrived. Designed to set standards for all your missions. It is the safest, most spacious, most comfortable, easy to fly, cheap to maintain, and cost-effective 7-ton workhorse in the market today. Designed not only to carry these 16 workers plus 2 pilots for oil and gas, but also for homeland security, airborne law enforcement, air medical, search and rescue, and VIP transport. And speaking of VIPs, ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Dr. Lutz Bertling, President and CEO of Eurocopter Group.
Ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for joining us for this very special moment for our company, and I think as well for the oil and gas industry and the search and rescue services. We are very proud of this nice new aircraft. We had a very nice ride, a very comfortable ride, spacey cabin, and even through this nasty weather which you have seen, it was quite a comfortable and safe ride. So we are very proud on this achievement which is here behind of me, and I'm especially proud not only to launch a new helicopter, but to present it together with launching customers.
Aero-TV is brought to you by Cirrus aircraft have always been easy to fly. Now they're easier than ever to buy. A complete line of ownership programs gives you everything you need to purchase, trade, finance, lease, insure, and warranty your Cirrus. There's even an ownership program for non-pilots. The Cirrus Access Pilot can teach you how to fly, or fly the plane for you. Find out more at www.cirrusdesign.com. Cirrus, with a love of flying. Now, back to Aero-TV.
And I would like to welcome here on stage with me Bill Childs, President and CEO of Bristow Helicopters. As you know, Bristow, based here in Houston, one of the largest helicopter operators in the world. Hi Bill, nice to see you, welcome. So Bristow is operating 550 helicopters, roughly a bit more, which are flying 300,000 hours a year in oil and gas. They are performing maintenance, they are serving other businesses, they have a large training academy, Bristow Academy, so one of the largest operators in the world, and we are very proud that this operator has again decided to be a launch customer for a new Eurocopter product. Bristow has been the launching customer 25 years ago for our 3C2 Super Puma, and again in 2004, Bristow decided to be launching customer for the 225. Now again, we have you with us. I'm very proud of that. Bill, I'm pretty sure this crowd would like to know why you have chosen this helicopter, why you decided to become a launch customer.
Thank you very much, Lutz. By the way, that was a great flight. So you don't even have to be a helicopter pilot to fly this thing. It's so simple.
Yeah, true.
All 16 of these big guys got here safely, and very good job. The reason we agreed to become the launch customer on the 175 is first Eurocopter's past performance, but primarily the safety of this new technology machine. We challenged Eurocopter on the performance characteristics of the machine, obviously on the safety side, but also range and payload and a varying number of missions. And when we look at this machine against the equipment available out there today, and the fact that it's incorporating all kinds of new technology, and in fact can carry 16 large passengers comfortably on the longer, more difficult missions that we fly, we decided very wholeheartedly to become the launch customer.
Now Bill, tell me, which missions have you foreseen for this helicopter? Where will you fly it, and how do you intend to integrate it in your fleet?
Well, Lutz, as you know, we're flying longer and longer missions to deeper and deeper water in harsher environment, not only hot and high, but also long-range range missions in very cold Arctic environments. So we're looking for machines that meet a much wider range of capability than we've seen in the past. And obviously, safety is number one to us, and we certainly believe this machine will make a real case for in the safety world that we live in.
Thank you very much. So we are very proud to have a customer like Bill and the whole Bristow Group with the brands Bristow and Aero-Logistics with us, and we are pretty sure that this helicopter will do a very good job for you. You can be confirmed, like we did in the 225, that all the Eurocopter Group, American Eurocopter and we over in Europe, we will do everything that this mission capability will serve your needs, that the machine will have a high safety standard, high availability, and even with support that whatever you demand from this helicopter will be fulfilled by the machine and by all the system behind the machine. So Eurocopter is definitely dedicated to serve your needs.
Well, thank you very much, Les, and we'll do our part to make sure we meet all those goals, and I want to thank you again for allowing us to be the launch partner.
Aero-TV is brought to you by...
Today, there is an affordable, high-performance, easy-to-own and easy-to-operate very light jet designed with you in mind. Far less expensive than any other twin-engine jet to buy, it is also the least expensive to own and operate. It is the Eclipse 500, the jet that's easy to buy, easy to fly, and fun to own. The jet for you.
Now, back to Aero-TV.
Ladies and gentlemen, the story is not over. This helicopter has attracted quite a lot of operators. Therefore, I'm very proud that today it's not only Bristow whom I can present as a launching customer. I would like to welcome as well the CEO and President of our Canadian launching customer, which is VAH. Ken Norris. Ken, if I might take you out of the machine. VAH is operating 65 helicopters in Canada through Cougar. They are very well aware of what tough oil and gas jobs are. They are operating since long in the harsh environment of the North Atlantic, and we are very proud that with this experience VAH has decided as well to be launching customer for this machine. VAH is our Canadian launch customer already for the EC-175 and the EC-145, and we are definitely proud, Ken, that you have decided to join us in the club, in the 175 club as well. So welcome to the club.
Thank you very much, Dr. Bertling. We believe the EC-175 will be an excellent addition to our fleet of offshore and SAR helicopters, and we're very proud to be the Canadian launch customer of the EC-175 and look forward to it joining our fleet. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Ladies and gentlemen, there will be some more announcements during this show. More helicopter operators are attracted by the machine, and you will see in the next 2.5 days that we will add some more operators to this group of launching customers. Now, I would like to give you the opportunity to get a bit closer to the machine. You are invited, climb in it, see the comfortable cabin, see the space it provides, get a touch, get a feel of this nice new machine, and join us for a glass of champagne on our booth. You are happily welcome. Have a look on the machine.
Ladies and gentlemen, a star is born. Our oil rig workers will remove this drape, and in 15 seconds we encourage you to step forward and please have a close look at the EC-175, Eurocopter's newest model, and join us for a glass of champagne. Thank you, and enjoy the Heli-Expo.
So there you have it. One of the most highly competitive companies in the helicopter industry has come out with the EC-175, a 16-passenger aircraft designed for the oil and gas industry. They'll be cutting metal this year, over 2008, first flights in 2009. Thereafter, it's going to be fun to watch this particular medium twin helicopter find its place within this industry. For the Aero-News Network and Aero-TV, I'm Jim Campbell.